tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activity. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Let's Go for a Run. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this activity, we're going to be doing a virtual run. We're going to have different sceneries that we're going to be running with. You guys can go at a nice jog pace. You guys can walk if you need to, or if you guys want to go really fast and go turbo and run, you can do that as well. It's completely up to you. It's just an opportunity for you to get this virtual run in while at home. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll do this virtual run together in just a moment. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that activity of Let's Go for a Run. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite scenery to run to, walk to, jog to. Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.